Here the question is given, draw the line 3x plus 4y equals to 12. From the graph paper, read the y-intercept. Already we can find out the y-intercept. Y-intercept means where the value of x will be equals to 0. So if the value of x equals to 0, then 4y equals to 12, so y equals to 3. Our answer will be 3. This we can know it before. But we have to draw the graph on the, from the graph we have to find out the y-intercept. So let us take this line first and write the points as 3x plus 4y equals to 12, 4y equals to 12 minus 3x, y equals to 12 minus 3x by 4. Now we have to find out the points. Let us take x equals to 0, then y equals to 3, y equals to 0, then x equals to 4, x equals to 2, 12 minus 6, 12 minus 6 is 6, 6 by 4, that means 1.5. Now we have to plot the point x equals to 0 and y equals to 3. So x equals to 0 is this, and this is y equals to 3. Next, x equals to 4, y equals to 0. So this is this point. And next, x equals to 2, this, and y is equals to 1.5. 1.5 will be this. Now, joining this line, we get the line as this. Now we have to find out the y-intercept. See, the y-axis is this, and this is the y-intercept. The y-intercept is 3. So your answer equals to 3. So one more question is there. One more question is from Concise text, exercise 27b. In this question, you have given this equation and this equation. From the graph, you have to find out the point of intersection. Very well. First, we will try to find out the points of this. That means, let us write this 2x minus y equals to 1. So, 2x equals to 1 plus y, x equals to 1 plus y by 2. Now, we make a chart over here. So let us take y equals to 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 by 2 is 1. So x equals to 1. Let us take y equals to minus 1. Then x equals to 0. Next, let us take y is equals to 3. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 by 2 is 2. Y equals to 3. X equals to 2. Now we will plot the graph for this, and now we will find out the value of the points of this equation. So from this we can write here y equals to 9 minus 2x. So ठीक है हाँ. So y equals to 9 minus 2x. ठीक है. Then what we have to do is, let us take here x equals to 2. X equals to 2, so 9 minus 2, x equals to 2, so 2 into 4, 9, so y equals to 5. Next, take x equals to 3, 3 to 6, y is equals to 3. Next, x equals to 4, so y equals to 1. 9 minus 8 is 1, so y equals to 1. So now we have this, so we can go with the graph. Now let us draw the line of this graph. They said x equals to 1, y equals to 1. X equals to 1, y equals to 1. So this is the point. Next, x equals to 0, y equals to minus 1. X equals to 0 is this, and y equals to minus 1. Next, x equals to 2, y equals to 3. X equals to 2, y equals to 3. So, this is the line. You join this line in this way. On this, write down the equation of this line. Next, x equals to 2, y equals to 5. X equals to 2, y equals to 5. X equals to 3, y equals to 3. X equals to 3, y equals to 3. X equals to 4, y equals to 1. So you get the 3 points in this way. Write down the coordinates of these points. This one was 2, 5. This one was 3, 3. This one was 4, 1. Now join this. So what we get is, we try to understand this from this. So we have to find out this point. This point is, x is somewhere here. That is 2.5. And y is 4. So this is the required point from the point of intersection. Hence, point of intersection equals to this is exercise 28, question number 11 from Concise textbook of class 9. So a point lies on the x-axis P and another point Q lies on the y-axis. Suppose this axis x, so point P lies on this axis, x-axis, and point Q lies on y-axis. Now they have asked you to find out right ordinate of point P. Since point P lies on x-axis, so the ordinate on x-axis will be 0. So the answer here it is 0. Next, write abscissa of point Q. Where the point Q lies? The point Q lies on the y-axis. So when the point Q lies on the y-axis, then the abscissa, that means the x ordinate will be equals to 0. So this is 0. Next, if the abscissa of P, here the abscissa of P, where is P? P lies on the x-axis. Abscissa of point P is minus 12. That means the point P can be, abscissa they have said you minus 12. That means here it is minus 12 comma 0, and the ordinate on the P point Q is minus 60. So Q which lies on y-axis is 0 comma minus 60. Now you have to find out the distance of PQ. So the distance of PQ we can find out with the distance section formula. That is, we can write it as, so with the help of distance section formula we can write here. So we can get in this way, and your final answer is 20 units. Another question is from question number 13 of the same book. So the points P, Q, R, S are the vertices of rectangle. We have to prove that. So let us draw here P, Q, R, S like this. P, Q, R, S. The points P is, write down here, 0 comma minus 4, Q 6 comma 2, R 3 comma 5, and S minus 3 comma minus 1. So now first we will find out the distance of PQ and SR. So PQ is equals to root over 0 minus 6 whole square, that is 36, plus minus 4 minus 2, that is minus 6 whole square, 36. This is equals to root 72. So we write here as root 72 units. Next we write SR. SR equals to root over minus 3 here R is 3 and S is minus 3. So 3 plus minus of minus is 6, that is 36, and 5 of minus of minus 1 is 6, so plus 36 equals to root 72. Write down here root 72 units. Next we find out PS. Zero minus of 3 is 9, minus 4 plus 1, that is 3, minus 3 whole square, that is 9, equals to root 18. So we can write here root 18 units. Next we have to find out QR. QR is 6 minus 3 is 3 square, 9. 2 minus 5 is 3 square is 9. Equals to root 18 units. Write down here root 18 units. Now we can see that from the figure that the opposite sides are equal. But opposite sides are equal does not justify that the figured quadrilateral is a rectangle. Then what we have to find it out? We have to consider this triangle and we have to find out this is 90 degree. So if this is 90 degree, then the square of this plus square of this must be equals to square of this. That means now you have to find out the point SQ. Here S is minus 3 and Q is 6. So minus 3 minus 6 minus 9. Minus 9 whole square is 81. Next, here S is minus 1 and here it is 2. Minus 1 minus 2 minus 3. Minus 3 whole square is 9. So how much we are getting? We are getting here 90, which is equals to 3 root 10 units. So this is 3 root 10 units. Now we have to see whether SP square plus PQ square SP square is 18, PQ square is 72 equals to 90 units, but 90 units equals to SQ square. Therefore, by Pythagoras theorem, since SQ square equals to SP square plus PQ square, this proves that this is a right angle triangle. Hence, the given vertices in this question is vertices of rectangle.